Hi, today I'm making chili spaghetti. I start with 2 pounds of ground beef, a 12-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 1 whole onion, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, and a quarter cup of green bell pepper. And so the seasonings, I'm using a teaspoon of black pepper, of chili powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt, and then a half a teaspoon of white salt, as well as a whole tablespoon of onion powder. And I've placed all my ingredients in the crock pot. So this is a recipe that you can make while you're at work. And so I actually just go ahead and add the seasonings, all of the tomatoes and the chopped vegetables, and put it in my crock pot for about 6 hours. And at the end of the day, when I got in, this is what it looked like. I was able to drain off some of the fat. I added this chili kit mixture, and so it has additional seasoning. And so it actually flavors and gives the sort of chili texture. And again, I'm draining off a little bit of that fat. I add spaghetti noodles, and let those cook down. I actually add garlic oil to the noodles, as well as parsley to the noodles, and then I'm going to serve that in just a regular bowl, and add my chili to it. And that chili can be used not only for spaghetti, but chili beans later. And so I top it with cheese, onions, and it's a hearty dish. It's definitely a heavy winter favorite with a nice smoky flavor.